we start with inside arm high. This is my right arm high, inside leg is my right leg. I'm going to kick my left leg out for a little accent. You have an option to either kick out if that's what you like, or you can just step on the floor and incorporate a little hip movement here to just add some texture to your dance. It's up to you and up to your mood.
Subscribe and ring the bell for special announcements.
After you do your first accent, we're gonna bring the inside leg across, the outside leg across the front of your inside leg. Then we are going to turn into our pole, and we're gonna get into our armpit of our left side. All the while, we are keeping our inside foot where it is. So from the beginning, it's step, cross in front, outside arm is gonna grab under the top arm, and you're gonna get into your bicep grip and leave your legs where they are as you turn your torso to face your audience or the front. Then you're going to leave your front leg, leave it where it is as you bring the back leg in front and land in a lunge. You really want to try to let this leg go back as much as possible if you want to get that cute angle, and make sure you're pointing through the toes, none of this stuff, okay? Make sure that you're really pointing through your ankles and your toes. Then from here, we're gonna pull using our hands and back muscles and our bicep, and we're going to be pressing into the front leg as we pull and slide that top leg, well, once back leg, now top leg, through to the other side. From there, we will keep turning and go into our split. But let me just show you how it looks from the back view. Inside arm is high. We're going to step out with the outside leg for an accent or kick. Outside leg is going to step in front of our inside leg. So left leg in front. Left arm or outside arm is going to grab the pole as we turn in and get into our armpit as we keep turning to face our audience. The back leg is going to come in front, and we're going to go down into our lunge. Time out real quick. Are you enjoying this? Are you getting some value out of this? Hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more stuff like this on a regular basis. Position. From here, we're gonna pull with the upper body like crazy, open the chest, shoulders down and back, and we're gonna be kicking this back leg through, up and around like a rainbow, and landing on our tippy toe. Boom. From here, now the weight can be shifted onto the feet as we control our descent with our arms and keep turning and go down into our left leg front split to face our audience. So again, from the front, it's kick, step in front, turn into the pole, bring that back leg forward into the lunge, go deep if that's what you like, swing it up and around, rainbow, keep turning to the left as you control your drop into your split. Have fun with this and play with different emotion, right? Like you can be angry and kind of go a little bit faster. So you can just kind of like kick, turn in really quick, and shift right away. Like you don't have to hit all those pretty shapes if your style is a little bit more rough, or if you want to just have a day where you're like a little bit less clean with your movements, that's okay, right? It's all about vibe and emotion. So if you want to be clean and cute and do everything, you know, like really on your tippy toes and all that nice stuff, that's always, see, tippy toes, that's always beautiful, you know, if that's your style. But if you want to play rough, go for it, right? Just freaking get low, shake the head, side to side, loosen up and go for it, you know, like bum, bum, bum. Jump and land, go crazy. It's all about how you're feeling and what you want to express, really. Have fun.